Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy trick in Power BI, how to copy an existing table using DAX. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a duplicate of any table in your model, which can save you tons of time and open up powerful possibilities for your reporting and analysis. Whether you want to experiment without risking your original data or you need a working copy to apply transformations, learning this technique will definitely come in handy. Alright, let's jump right in. For this example, let's say you already have a table in your Power BI model called Sales Data. Inside this table, you've got a few columns, maybe product, region, and sales. Now, suppose you want to make a duplicate of this table, which you can use independently in your visuals, calculations, or what-if analyses. To get started, make sure you're in Power BI Desktop and your model is loaded. Take a moment to double-check the exact name of your table. Remember, Power BI is pretty particular about names, so you'll want to match it perfectly in the next step. Next, head over to the ribbon at the top of your screen and look for the Modeling tab. Go ahead and click on it. You'll find a button called New Table. Click that, and now you'll see a formula bar appear, prompting you to define your new table using DAX, the language Power BI uses for expressions and queries. Here, where the magic happens. In the formula bar, you're going to type out an expression that creates an exact copy of your existing table. For our example, you would type sales data copy equals sales data. Just swap out sales data for whatever your table's name is if you're working with different data. What this expression does is surprisingly straightforward. It tells Power BI to create a new table called Sales Data Copy that includes all the columns and rows from your original sales data table exactly as they are at that moment. It's like taking a snapshot of your data. If you're used to making backup copies of files on your computer, it's essentially the same concept, but inside your Power BI model. Give it a second, Power BI will process the command, and you'll see your new table appear in the Fields pane. If you ever get an error message about the table name, just double-check your spelling and make sure there aren't any spaces or typos. Once that's done, you can start using your copied table just like any other in Power BI. For instance, you could create separate visuals side by side, one using your original sales data and another using sales data copy to compare different filters or calculations. It's a simple trick that can make your dashboards much more flexible and dynamic, and that's really all there is to it. With just a quick DAX expression, you can create a new table, no exporting, no manual work, and no risk to your original dataset. This little method is perfect when you want to test out new measures, apply unusual filters, or experiment without messing up your main data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or maybe suggestions for future tutorials? Drop a comment below, I'm always happy to help out. And if you want to keep leveling up your Power BI skills, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.